Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RBZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and a good chunk of volume, well above average. And really, I say day, but more so just this afternoon, because morning and then late morning, nothing much was going on. And then, that is where the volume really poured in, was during the afternoon. But regardless, point being, good surge in volume, so a lot of eyeballs on it. So let's map out some areas of support. First level of support to keep an eye on is going to be just the bottom portion of this consolidation phase. So the price made the big move up, then pulled back, and as far as the bears could press it on the pullback, was right there at basically $5.55. Let's just call it $5.50 to make it easier to remember. So $5.50 going to be that initial area of support to watch going into Thursday. If the price does not hold above $5.55, next key level to watch at that point would be down there at $5.20. If the price breaks down below $5.20, I'm not going to say the entire chart is ruined, but I mean, stop and think what that would essentially be telling us. So again, if the price were to come down to $5.20 and then break below there and continue on down, at that point, from a literal perspective, it'd literally be putting the price right back to where it was before the big move happened. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power or genuine strength or anything like that. But as of right now, I'm not saying that's going to occur, and it's not even close to happening, but that is why, in my mind, at least that $5.50 mark, or excuse me, the $5.20 mark is pretty important. What about levels of resistance going forward? As far as where the sellers are at, the main level that really stands out to me is right up there at, let's see, $6.30. You can see that is right where the price was rejected from today, and then you go back in the history of things and you can see it's also rejected the price before. So while I'm not saying it's impossible to break above $6.30, I'm just saying that apparently, according to the story that's being told to us via the chart, the price is really going to need to bring its A game if it's going to be able to not only get up above $6.30, but stay up above it. All in all, though, good solid movement today, good solid move this afternoon, and we'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not going forward. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.